Bonjour et bienvenue This is the Path of Success. Je m'appelle Riti. Good morning and welcome to This is the Path of Success. My name is Riti Arsthana, your French language instructor. And today we are starting with French lesson number 12. And today's topic is Membres de la famille. Membres de la famille. That means members of the family. Now, the most important person in our life is our mother. What do you say for mother? It's mec. Mec. For father? Pec. Pec. For mama. Now, usually in our homes, we don't always say mother, mother, mother. Sometimes we say mommy, sometimes we say mom, and sometimes mama. For that, we use memo. Memo. For papa or daddy, we use papa. Papa. And for daughter, we use fille. Fille. Now you'll ask me that why I have written daughter and / girl. I want to tell you that fille is not only used for daughter but also for girl. Means if I'm using fille, so it's used for both girl and daughter. After that, son. Son in French is fils. Fils. That's right. Child. Child is enfant. And children is enfant. But in last I have to put a S. The pronunciation is same, but in last just a S. Like if you remember blanc. Blanc is for white color. In that also we don't have not blanc actually. Blanc and blanche have the spelling are similar, not spelling similar. Their pronunciation were also different. But noir. Noir. Do you remember noir? Right. Noir is for black. In that, both noir masculine and noir feminine were having different spelling, but the pronunciation were same. In the same manner, here their spelling are different, but the pronunciation is same. After that, for wife I'll use femme. Femme. Now, as it was for the daughter, that daughter and girl both means fille. In the same manner, wife and woman. Wife and woman both means femme. Husband. For husband I use mari. Mari. For brother, that's right, frère. Frère. And sister. For sister, sœur. Sœur. That's right, trivia. Now let's do a rapid revision. Repeat after me. Répète avec moi. Maki, mec, bec, memo, pépin, fille, fils, enfant, enfant, femme, maki, maki, fec, fec, sioc, sioc. Now we have done with it. Let's move further. Now I have a revision chart here, but before doing this, let's look up here. Now in English, the is for all, whether it's feminine, it's masculine or it's plural. We use the only. But in French, for the feminine we use la. For masculine, we use les, and for plural the, we use les. Now here, les masculine and les plural have the same pronunciation, but in written form it's different. Now my, whether I'm talking about feminine, masculine or plural, in English I'm just using my, but in French it's different. For my, feminine we use ma. For my masculine, we use mo. And my plural, we use me. Ma, mo, me. You can revise like la, le, la, ma, mo, me. Okay? And now, by using this, by looking at this table, we will solve these questions. The brother. The brother. Now first, the. Now here I am having 3 types of the. Which one will I use? Then we use see the noun. That noun is masculine, feminine or plural. Here I can see that my noun is masculine. है It means we'll use le. Then le. After that for brother, what will use? That's right. Fake. Fake. Le fake means the brother. After that, my daughter. Now here also I am having 3 types of my. Which one will I use? Let me take a look at the noun. My noun is a feminine. Daughter is a feminine gender. Female for female. What will I use? That's right, I'll use ma. So, ma, and for daughter, what will I use? Fi. Right? And here I have told you fi is not only for daughter, but also for girls. Right? The wife. The wife. Now, wife. Before wife, the. Which one the which I will use? It will be la, le or le. Tell me fast in the comment section. That's right. I'll use la. Why? Yes, it is because our noun wife is female, feminine. Then the will also be feminine one. That is la. So la. And for wife, what will I use? That's right. It will be femme. Femme is not only for wife but also for woman. That's right. My children. My children. Now which ma should I select? This ma is for feminine, ma for masculine and me for plural. Now children is plural. So I'll use me. So me, and for children what we'll use? That's right. F form. F form. And what if here the will be there? The children. If I would have asked the children, so what would my answer will be? That's right. For the children I'll use le. Plural. This one. Right? I'll use this one. Because its children is plural. The mother. Now the la, le or le. Tell me fast in comments. Right. We'll use la because mother is a female gender. So la and mother. For mother, what will I use? That's right. I'll use make. Now some of you may say that here we'll use memo. But no, I have told you, just look at here. I have told you for mother, make, and for mama, we use memo. Then, for this question, we'll use make only. My husband. Now, which my? It will be ma, mo, me. That's right, we'll use mo. Here, we don't pronounce this N, we just say mo. Mo. And for husband, what will we use? That's right. It's Mackie. Mackie. So for the brother, Lefek. My daughter, Maffy. The wife, La Femme. My children, Me Effon. The mother, for the mother will use La Mac. My husband, more Mackie. Here we have done with the first part of the family. I hope you like my video. If you so, please do like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell hang button. Till then, bon journey, a bientôt.